Next one, the value of this number 0.0001289 minus this multiplication plus this number is. Now the basic rule is always follow bottom-up rule. Bottom-up means bracket open, divide, multiply, add and then subtract. Go in this sequence only. Here in our case we don't have any bracket open or divide, but we have multiply. So go for multiplication. Multiply these two numbers. This multiplication we have already studied in 5th standard. Again I will tell you. Just multiply these two numbers, this and 274, and then count after point how many digits are there. Put as many digits, start counting from right and go to left. And if the digits gets close, for this see the answer is 2293 into 274 is 628282, and we have how many 10 digits. So count 10 from here. So 6 and then 4 zeros. So now instead of this multiplication we'll have this number over here. So our new expression is this number minus this plus this. So again bottom us after multiplication addition. So we'll have to add now. What is to be added? This number which has plus sign and this number. If no sign is given on the left side, it means there is a plus sign. So this plus this. See, I have added these two numbers, first number and then second number. See here, there are no means the digits are lesser for this number, as well as digits are more for this number. So we put zeros over here. So add these two numbers, we get this answer. Now from this answer, then go for subtraction of this number. So again go for subtraction and then you get this answer. See here, this 0 can be ignored. After point, if there is any 0 at the end, that need not be taken.